Hi guys, today we'll be having a look at the Lylliths Emporium box. It's a witchcraft supplies and spiritual supplies box. Things such as incense, crystals, tarot cards, books, things along that line. This month we have the witchy theme box and it's got healing crystals and herbs. This month we take a look at healing your body, mind and soul by utilising the wonderful properties of crystal, herbs and essential oils. This box has got a little sheet that tells me what's inside, which I always like because sometimes it's hard to know what things are. So let's dig in and have a gander. Oh, I love this purple paper. Okay, first off we've got the info sheets. It's stuck. We might come back and have a look at those after we've looked at everything. Okay, so first off we have dried herbs for making your own herbal teas. Green tea, sencha, lemon and myrtle, chamomile and lavender. So here we have the sencha. Quite a big bag. The chamomile, again quite a generous portion. The lavender, lemon myrtle, and that's the herbs. Next up we have a 5 ml bottle of Uplifting Essential Oil Blend to use in your diffuser or oil burner. It's for use in aromatherapy and it's for external use only. Here we have what seems to be an empty bottle. One of those dripper type ones. Handy for making up different blends. Next we've got our stones, or our crystals for this month. There is an amazonite, a fluorite and a red tiger eye. Now I don't claim to be very knowledgeable in stones, but I would imagine this would be the red tiger eye. And I'm not sure which one of these is the amazonite or fluorite. This one is exceptionally gorgeous. It's a clear stone, but it's got purple and green coming from inside. And this one's kind of a aqua colour. And they come in a cute little bag. Right, here we have the Pain Relief Herbal Tea Blend. It's 100% natural herbal blend tea with herbs known to reduce aches and pains. Very herby. Now it actually says on the piece of paper that there's also supposed to be a tea strainer, but that doesn't seem to be in my box, so I'll have to contact Lylliths and find out what's the go there. We've got a couple of pieces of paper in the bottom. We have a gem elixir recipe chart. So I'm not really very familiar with all of this type of thing, but I think the idea is to make a recipe using the stone. I'm not sure, to be honest. And let's have a quick look if we can get to our info sheets now. So info sheets, ways to use herbs for healing. How to prepare gemstone elixirs. So there are two methods of preparing gem elixirs. The direct method, where you place the crystals inside the drinkable water, and the indirect method, which is generally safer, and the stones are placed in a separate water to charge the drinkable water. And that's just another piece of paper explaining the indirect method. So all in all, a pretty cool box if you're trying to grow your witchy supplies, or I think it's apothecary it may be called. Thanks again to Lylliths for sending this out for us to have a look at. Support local Australian businesses like these if you're interested in this type of thing. Alright guys, thanks.